Amidst last week's strike in Damascus and the subsequent warnings of retaliation from Iranian authorities, reports suggest that Israel has conveyed its readiness to retaliate by targeting Iranian assets in the event of a direct attack. According to an Arab report on Monday citing an anonymous Western security official, Israel has reportedly been engaging in Air Force drills, notably focusing on preparations to strike Iranian nuclear facilities and critical infrastructure. Unnamed US intelligence sources told CNN, however, that Iran is unlikely to attack Israel directly out of fear of American and Israeli reprisal, and will instead urge its various proxies in the region to launch attacks on its behalf in the coming days. Israel has been on high alert over the past week amid Iranian officials' promises of revenge for a Damascus airstrike that killed their top commander in Syria, Mohammad Reza Zahedi, alongside 6 other members of Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guards Corps and at least one member of Iranian proxy group Hezbollah. While Israel has refrained from officially commenting on the incident, both Damascus and Tehran have pointed fingers at Israel for the attack that occurred last Monday. The New York Times, citing 4 undisclosed Israeli officials, reported confirmation of Israel's involvement in the strike. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, during a security cabinet meeting on Thursday, made veiled references to the strike, expressing a firm resolve to retaliate in the event of a prospective Iranian attack. Iran has been acting against us for years, directly and via proxies, and therefore Israel acts against Iran and its proxies, defensively and offensively, he said. Zahedi was reportedly responsible for the IRGC Quds forces operations in Syria and Lebanon for Iranian militias there and for ties with Hezbollah, and was thus the most senior commander of Iranian forces in the two countries. The 63-year-old was the most important Iranian soldier killed since the US strike on Baghdad airport that killed Quds force leader General Qasem Soleimani in 2020. Analysts saw the raid as an escalation of Israel's campaign against Iran and its regional proxies that runs the risk of triggering a wider war beyond the Israel-Hamas conflict in the Gaza Strip. Both Iran and Hezbollah have pledged retaliation for the strike. An advisor to Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, issued a threat against Israeli embassies, stating to Iran's ISNA news agency on Sunday that the embassies of the Zionist regime are no longer safe.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.